on to some special stem modifications. They are in the form of phylloclades. They are in the form of phylloclades, cladodes, etc. First we will look into the phylloclades. Phylloclade is a modification mainly seen in case of xerophytes, wherein the stem is actually modified into a green flattened succulent structure called as phylloclades, and the leaves are either appendage like, or they are reduced in order to check transpiration, or they are modified into thorns or spine like structures in order to check the process of transpiration, that is excessive loss of water through the process of transpiration. So, what are phylloclades? Phylloclades are nothing but wherein the stem is modified into a green flat succulent structure in order to prevent the excessive loss of water. Not only the stem is modified here, the leaves are appendage like structures or they are highly condensed or reduced to check the water loss. Such phyllodes are found in case of Opuntia or in case of Muclumbacea. So, phylloclades are found in Muclumbacea and also in the Opuntia. In Opuntia, the leaves are modified into spines. In Muclumbacea, they are reduced into smaller condensed structures. Now, we will move on to the cladodes. Unlike phylloclades, however, they are not succulent, but they are green cylindrical or flattened stem branches of limited growth. So, they have taken over the function of photosynthesis, hence the leaves are highly reduced. This leaf like structure is actually a stem modified into a structure called as cladode. These are the nodes, and from the nodes you can see the emergence of flower is an indication that it is a node. This is seen in case of ruscus. So, what happens? Unlike the phylloclades, here they are not succulent, but however the plants are highly reduced. The stem is highly reduced into a leaf like structures or in order to perform a role of photosynthesis like leaves. So, leaves are reduced to fine appendage like structures in order to prevent the process of transpiration or excessive loss of water. So, the cladode, the best example of cladode is a ruscus. Another example includes asparagus. Now, we'll move on to another modification, a stem modification, wherein in case of bougainvillea, the stem is reduced, the branches are reduced to spines in order to check the rate of transpiration. All these modifications you studied are usually seen in case of xerophytes to check the excessive loss of water through the process of transpiration. In few other forms like the Cucurbitaceae members, the stem are modified into tendrils. In other form like Dioscorea, what happens? The stem is modified into a bulbil like structure in order to help the process of vegetative reproduction. So, this is seen in case of Dioscorea. So, these are the special modification. Performed by the stems, wherein they are modified into structure called as phylloclades or cladodes or spines in order to check the excessive loss of water in the xerophytic environment. Apart from that, they are modified for the vegetative reproduction into bulbils in case of Dioscorea. on to the leaves. Leaves are the most important vegetative organs in a plant because they aid in the process of photosynthesis. They do carry on a process of photosynthesis using the sunlight, and they produce the food which is conducted to different organs of the plant through the veins wherein reside the vascular tissues like the xylem and phloem. So, what is a leaf? Leaf is an important organ in a plant body which prepares the food by the process of photosynthesis. When we take a structure of leaf, it is classified into, it has a leaf base through which it is attached to the branch or a nodal region of a branch. The leaf attaches through the node of the branch by the leaf base. The leaf base can also be called as hypopodium. In Leguminaceae members, the leaf base is bulged or swollen like this, called as pulvinous leaf base. It is a key character of a Leguminosae member. The leaf base further extends into a stalk called as petiole. Petiole is otherwise called as mesopodium. The petiole extends into a lamina. The petiole extends into a flat structure called as leaf or otherwise called as a lamina, and this lamina is otherwise called as epipodium. The lamina is the most important organ of a leaf wherein the actual process of photosynthesis takes place in the lamina, and whatever the food is prepared in the lamina is transferred or transported to the other organs through the vascular tissue present in these veins. The main vein of the lamina is called as midrib. This midrib further extends into many veins and veinlets. So, apart from these structures, there is one more structure called as stipules. Stipules are two lateral outgrowths. Stipules are two lateral outgrowths at the base of the leaf. They are present at the base of the leaf and they protect the leaf primordia. So, what are stipules? They are two lateral outgrowth found at the base of the leaf and they protect the leaf primordia. So, these are the structures of leaf, and what are they? It has a leaf base, the lamina and the petiole. Apart from this, they do also possess a pair of stipules. So, this is the structure of leaf, and stipules can be of many types called as adnate stipules, ventral stipule, foliar stipules in case of peas, etc. So, this is the leaf, structure of leaf.
ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ದಿವಿಗೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇದೇ ಥರ ನೂರಾರು ವೀಡಿಯೋಸನ್ನು ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ.